Man, I hope these videos are coming out. We got the damn sun coming up in our face. It's kind of blinding us, dude. I am in a 2021 new Jeep Grand Cherokee L with the third row. 320 miles. Holy crap. Look at that beautiful screen. This is from the Jeep store. And people ask, why do new cars come to these auctions? Well, if it's an in high demand car like something like this, that's kind of hard to get at the dealership right now, they'll bring them to the auction, and sometimes they'll sell more here than they can get for them on their dealer's lot. And that's the truth. Wow, this thing feels substantial compared to the old Grand Cherokee. I mean, it's got a long hood and it's got lots more room. This is a proper 3-row SUV. I'm pretty sure it's a Pentastar, just by the sound I heard under the hood. Sounds Pentastar-ish. But this is pretty loaded up. It has a panorama roof, leather, I'm sure heated, cooled seats. It is all-wheel drive. Oh yeah, that Pentastar's got plenty of power. For a mom just wanting to run kids around, soccer mom car, it could even tow a little bit. But yeah, it's got pretty decent get up and go. Holy crap, it's got real good get up and go. Got the nice digital cockpit display. Oh dude, this thing is pimp. I like this. Wow. Got the rotary knob. Got your options for snow, sand, sludge, whatever. Let's look this thing over a little bit. Go ahead and pop the hood. Got captain's chairs back here. Climate control and heated seats. Lots of USB plug-ins. Okay, the third row. Yeah, pretty much for kids. I think an adult could squeeze back there in a pinch. But it is a limited. And it is the L. So this thing is money. This will bring good money. I bet if it doesn't top 50,000, I'll be surprised. I mean, it should, because it's pretty loaded. Yeah, that looks kind of Pentastar-ish to me. Yeah, it'd have to be. It doesn't look like Hemi at all. But it's a new truck, y'all. 315 miles. She's lovely. Yep, she is lovely. Lovely. Gonna bring the money. I kind of like that rotary dial. You just jump in and spin that baby. Not bad. I like that. It's pretty cool. Okay. Somebody has got the AC on in this thing, and I am freezing my arse off. I didn't turn it on either. I ain't got a clue. Where is home? Home. Yeah, navigation. Oh, wait. Here's some knobs I didn't see down here. Oh wait, fan. There we go. Come on. Fan. We got a heated steering wheel. That is very nice. I didn't put my seatbelt back on. That's nice. Let's see. I can't remember where I got her from. I know it was lane 4. Lane 4, number 19. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.